Google recently unveiled the most durable foldable ever made, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. With a brand new gearless hinge, a massive 8-inch display, the biggest battery on a foldable, and AI tools powered by the Tensor G5. This phone might be the foldable we've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold comes in moonstone and jade. But what really makes it special is durability. Google re-engineered the hinge. It's gearless and twice as strong as before with IP68 water and dust resistance, a first for any foldable. The Super Actua Flex display is tougher than ever, thanks to ultra-thin glass and dual anti-impact layers. You're getting a massive 8-inch inner display and a 6.4-inch outer display with tiny bezels. And both panels now hit 3000 nits brightness, meaning crystal clear visibility, even under direct sunlight. Powering it all is the largest battery Google has ever put in a foldable, up to 30+ hours on a single charge. Need juice fast? 50% in just 30 minutes with faster wired charging. And for the first time, we've got Qi 2 wireless charging with Pixel Snap magnetic accessories. Snap on a stand, ring, or charger even when unfolded. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold runs on the new Tensor G5 processor, unlocking Gemini Live, Magic Q, and Daily Hub right on your foldable. Plus, multitasking is better than ever. Split screen with adjustable sizing, drag and drop, and gaming with a new outer display controller mode. And of course, pixel cameras. The new 48MP main sensor headlines a triple rear camera system with macro focus, super res zoom up to 20x, and rear camera selfie mode. Foldables also unlock new experiences, dual screen preview, tabletop mode, and instant view. So you can instantly check your shots and retake before the moment's gone. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is available to pre-order and officially launches on October 9th. With durability, performance, AI, and cameras all taken to the next level. This might be the first foldable that feels truly complete. So, is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold the best foldable ever? Or are we still waiting for the perfect one? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech coverage.